Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a stunning church flyer design using just your mobile phone. This design does not just look amazing, it also communicates a powerful message clearly and effectively. This tutorial is broken down into 5 main steps. Number 1, layout and composition. Number 2, color grading. Number 3, main texts. Number 4, lighting effects and information details. Number 5, final retouching. To follow along, you will need 3 apps ready on your phone: PixelLab, Photopea, and Adobe Lightroom. PixelLab and Lightroom are available on the Play Store. Photopea is a web app, so you can access it directly through your browser. You can also find all the design resources using the link in the description below. We're starting with Photopea. Open your browser. I recommend using Chrome. Type Photopea in the search bar. Tap on the first link, and the app will open. Once it has fully loaded, you can turn off your internet connection. Now tap on New Project. Set the width to 1080 pixels and the height to 1350 pixels. Then tap Create, and there is your canvas. Step 1. Layout and composition. Alright, this is where we build the foundation of our design. We will be importing our images and arranging them properly. Since the main message of this design is Kingdom Army, we need images that communicate that theme powerfully. Always keep the message in mind when choosing images for a church flyer. Let's import our images now. Go to File, tap Open in Place, then tap Media Picker. This will take you to your phone storage where you can select your images. We will import them one at a time. First, let's bring in the road image. Resize it to fit, then tap the check icon to confirm. Now go to your layer panel. Tap the folder icon to create a new folder. Double tap on the folder and rename it to road. Press and hold the road layer, then drag it into the road folder. Keeping your layers organized in folders is very important. It makes it much easier to find and edit things as your design grows. Next, create another folder and rename it Army. Now, let's import the next set of images. We are bringing in the soldiers and the army vehicle. Long press to multi-select both images, then tap Select. Go to the layer panel, press and hold the soldier layer, and drag it above the 2 vehicles. Tap on the first vehicle and adjust its size and position. Then tap on the second vehicle and adjust it as well. Now duplicate the vehicles. Tap on Layer, then tap on Duplicate Layer. And move the duplicated copies in front of the soldiers. Adjust their size and position. We are making the duplicated vehicles slightly larger to create an illusion of depth. This gives the design a more realistic and 3-dimensional feel. Now, let's add a shadow beneath the vehicles to make them look grounded and natural. Go to your layer panel and create an empty layer by tapping the new layer icon. Move this empty layer behind the vehicle images inside the Army folder. From your toolbar, tap the Brush tool. Tap on the foreground color and make sure it is set to black. Tap OK. On the property bar at the top, tap the arrow, then select Soft Round Brush. Set the size to around 269 pixels. Then paint the shadow beneath the vehicles, like this. Now let's import the background image. Create a new folder and name it BG. Import the background image. Resize it to fit. then tap the check icon to confirm. Now import the next background element, the throne image. From the Layer panel, move the throne in front of the road layer. Great. Step 1 is now complete. Before we move on, this is a good time to save your work. Whenever you reach an important stage in your design, always save. This protects your progress if the app closes unexpectedly. Go to File, then tap Save as PSD. This will download the raw project file directly to your phone storage. To reopen it later, go to File, tap Open, then Media Picker, and select the file. Step 2, Color Grading. In this step, we are going to match the colors of all the imported images, the soldiers, the vehicles, and the road, with the background. This creates a unified and professional color harmony across the whole design. Let's start with the road. First, let's darken it slightly. Go to your Layer panel and tap on the road layer. Tap the Adjustment Layer icon, then tap Levels. Drag the slider to darken the road a little. Then, tap the clip icon to make sure this adjustment only affects the road layer below it. Now let's shift the color of the road to match the background. Tap the Adjustment Layer drop-down again and select Color Fill. Pick a color from the background, then tap OK. Go to the Properties panel and tap the arrow to clip this color fill layer to the road as well. In your Layer panel, make sure the Color Fill layer is selected. Tap the Blending Mode option and change it to Color. Now the road color matches the background perfectly. Let's also add a bit more shadow behind the large vehicle. Tap on your shadow layer and rename it Shadow. Pick your brush tool and paint additional shadow behind the vehicle. That looks good. Now let's match the color of the vehicles and soldiers. Duplicate the Color Fill layer and move it on top of the Army folder. Lower the opacity of this Color Fill layer to around 60%. That's looking great. Step 2 is complete. Go ahead and save your work again. Step 3, Main Texts. We will start with the 10 days to go text. This needs to be prepared first in PixelLab. Open your PixelLab app. Tap the letter A icon. Then tap the plus icon to add a new text element. Tap Edit and type 10. Tap Size and increase it. Tap Font and choose your font. I am using Bison Bold for this text. Tap OK when done. Add another text element for days to go and select your font. I am using Monument Extended for this one. Adjust the positioning as needed. Once you are happy with it, remove the background to make it transparent. Then export as PNG. Now go back to Photopea and import the image. Rotate it to an angle of -90 degrees. Tap Edit, then Transform, then select Perspective. Use 2 fingers to zoom out, then hold the edge and drag horizontally to apply the perspective effect. tap the check icon when you are done. Make any small adjustments needed. Now, in the Layer panel, create a new folder. Drag the road layer and its adjustment layer into this folder. Duplicate the folder. Then convert to Smart Object. Drag it to the top of the text layer and clip it to the text. Tap on the text layer, then tap Effect, then Stroke. Set the stroke size to 3. Then tap the color box and pick a matching color from the background. Next, tap on the road that is now inside the text layer. Tap the adjustment layer icon and select Curve. Clip this layer to the road and adjust the curve to brighten it up slightly. Now let's bring in the Kingdom Army main text. Create a new folder and name it Main Text. Then import the text graphic. I will be creating a separate video showing exactly how I built this text effect, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss it. Adjust the text position as needed. Now we need to match the text color with the background as well. Duplicate the color fill layer and drag it to the top of the main text folder. Reduce the opacity slightly. That looks great. Step 3 is done. Save your work. Step 4. Light effects and information details. Now let's bring this design to life with some light effects. Select the Army folder. Import this image and move it behind the Army folder in the Layer panel. Resize it. Then change the blending mode to Soft Light. Now let's mask out the parts we do not need. Go to your Layer panel and tap the mask icon. Make sure the mask is selected. Then pick your brush tool from the toolbar. Set the foreground color to black. Select Soft Round Brush and increase the brush size. Gently brush over the areas you want to remove. Now select the main text folder and import a lens flare image. Change its blending mode to screen and position it where you want the glow effect to sit. The light effect is done. Save your work. Now let's export the design. Go to Export As, select JPG, then save it. Now open PixelLab to add the remaining text details. Tap on this icon. Tap from Gallery and import the design you just exported. Tap the check icon to confirm. Now let's import the torn paper image. Tap the import icon, select the image, and adjust its position and size. Tap Copy to duplicate. Then rotate and place the second copy on the other side. Lock both layers. Now add the date text. Select your font. I used Montserrat Bold initially, but Montserrat Black gives a stronger, bolder look. For the text color, pick a color from the background and choose a slightly darker shade. Duplicate the text and write in the location. Import the location icon, change its color to match the text, and position it next to the location text. Do the same for the calendar icon. Great, step 4 is complete. Save your design. Tap Ultra Quality, then save to your gallery. Step 5, final retouching. Open Adobe Lightroom and select the design you just saved. Tap Edit, tap Effects. Increase the texture slightly. Increase clarity just a little. Then increase dehaze a little as well. Now tap Light, then open the curve. Gently lift the center of the curve to add a subtle brightness boost. Tap Done. Take a look at the before and after. That makes a noticeable difference. To save the final result, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Save Copy to Device, and your finished design will be saved straight to your gallery. And that is a wrap on this tutorial. You have just created a full professional church flyer design completely on your mobile phone, from layout and color grading, all the way through to the final retouch in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel grow. If you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.